up to 38 mpg combined, plus real AWD capability for all-weather confidence. The plug-in hybrid version offers 33 miles of all-electric range and even more power. Handle daily drives as an EV with gas backup for road trips. The interior is futuristic and family-friendly, with a customizable digital cluster and tons of storage. Packed with features for comfort and convenience, perfect for busy families. The Tucson Hybrid proves you don't have to sacrifice space or style for efficiency. It's the modern family's answer to one car does it all: SUV size, EV intelligence, standout design, smart tech, and real capability. The Tucson Hybrid is a masterclass in hybrid SUVs. It's the SUV for today's world. What if luxury and performance could also mean hybrid efficiency? Enter the Lexus RX 500 HF Sport Performance. This isn't your typical Lexus hybrid, it's a powerhouse. A turbocharged engine and electric motor combined for 366 horsepower and instant torque. Direct 4 all-wheel drive, adaptive suspension and rear-wheel steering make it agile and fun to drive. It's fast, planted, and still manages 27 mpg combined. Impressive for this much power. Aggressive F-Sport styling, 21-inch wheels and a bold grille set it apart. Inside, it's pure Lexus luxury materials, sporty seats, and a massive 14-inch touchscreen with the new Lexus interface. Build quality is flawless and the tech is top-notch. The RX 500h is for those who want space, comfort, and a thrilling drive, without